Something weird happened with my iPhone 13. I woke up in the morning and it wouldn't power on, even no matter how many times I pressed the power button. I had it plugged in all night and it was completely off. I tested it with another iPhone, so I know it's not the cable. First, I thought it was my battery. I was about to take it to the Apple store until I found something online that fixed the problem. I found a solution to the problem on the Apple support website. These instructions include iPhone 8 or later, iPhone 7, and also iPhone 6 or earlier. I'll put a link in the description. Since my phone is an iPhone 13, I'll follow the instructions for the iPhone 8 or later. First, you tap the up volume, then you tap the down volume, and then you hold the power button for 10 seconds. And then the Apple logo should appear. And then my phone turned on and it was at 100%. If it still doesn't work, then it could be a problem with your battery or a hardware problem. The website recommends that you contact Apple support.